Welcome to ATAPS video, how to generate invoice. In this video tutorial, we will go through the process, probably the most important process within the company, how the bills are generated within the ATAPS system. The bill generation tool is located under the invoices. The first one chosen is the invoice operations. This is a panel where the invoices are generated, and we will see a lot of useful information within this panel when the invoice will be generated. Let's start with the red message. The red message warns that there are unprocessed exports within the previous month, and the report of unprocessed exports, we can see all the events which are not processed. What does it mean? Basically, it means that there were planned exports for those addresses, for those clients, but they were not marked either, not marked as done and not marked as failed. So we need to make sure that every record is either done or either failed, or either we can delete it because we don't need it because it's generated by mistake or for some other reason. In our situation, we will mark all those records as done successfully, so they will be included in the bill. Confirm. Yes, all the records are marked. Then we can close this report. We can roll out this page. And now we don't see the warning here, so we can start generation of services. What does it mean? This process is generating all the services which are provided for clients, and we get summaries in terms of euros, and we can see that container exports for previous period we get 806 euros. For container fields it's 780, and for containers rent we get 89 euros. And this is summary. When we see this, so all the services are collected within their services report, and we can now start to generate the bills, and it's done by clicking the button generate the bills. The process running quite fast for such a client count, and we have generated 29 bills in this period. We can see the summary, the total of excluding VAT and the VAT amount, and we can now the buttons underneath are activated, and we have other options such as export the bills to accountancy system. In this example, the accountancy system is named Greens, and also to export bills to the other third-party system which will send the bills through the post office delivered by the regular mail. Also, it's possible to use such an export format. Okay, let's look at the bills list, how it looks like. Here we can see all the bills generated within this period, and we can now use the system options, how to deliver them to the clients. The first one is to deliver them by email. Then we can select all the clients which are marked in the contract that they want to receive the bills by email. We can select them. We can mark them, and in this form we can change the text of the email, to add something or to remove something from the predefined email text, so the clients will get the message you want to send them, together with the monthly invoice, which is included as attachment in PDF format. So by clicking next, the system asks to confirm the email which will be sent, and as soon as we click confirm, the email is sent. The system warns us that there are unsent emails here, and system will send them by some bunch of emails hourly, so do not flood the servers which are receiving the emails, so they are delivered with a guarantee to the client. So if you want to initiate the sending emails right now, you can click this button, but usually the system does it itself, and it is recommended way to do that. Also, if we have sent emails in some other way, for example, delivered by post or downloaded the PDF and sent personally to the client, we can mark the invoices as sent. And though this is the way we can see with a darker icon that those invoices are delivered to the client, so we can filter them out if we are working with a lot of invoices, and we should know which invoice is sent out and which invoice is not sent out from the system. So the system has tools to filter out these records, so you can work the way you want. Also, there is an option to print the invoices if you want to print them all and put in the archive, or you are printing them out and sending the invoices by regular mail, and you are doing manually this in the company. This is also the option, so you just click the invoices you want to print out, or select the invoices for the clients which should be sent manually out. It's also an option to mark such a setting in the contract, but we don't have such a contract. We have by regular mail some contracts, so we can look at how it looks the printing. And the system generates invoices we have selected in the previous step in the PDF format, so we can save the PDF file with all the selected invoices or directly print to the printer. So this is it for the video. Now we know how to generate invoices and how to send them out to the clients.